Finding the right glass transforms your shots from average to breathtaking. Today, we are revealing the best camera lens for photography to help you make the perfect buying decision. Let's dive into these top-tier options for every shooting style.
Product number 1. Sony SEL20f28 E-mount 20mm. If you are an APS-C Sony shooter looking for the ultimate travel companion, this lens is an incredibly compelling choice. This ultra-slim pancake lens measures just 20.4 millimeters thick and weighs a mere 2.4 ounces, making your mirrorless setup genuinely pocketable. Offering a 30mm full-frame equivalent focal length, it hits the sweet spot for street photography, sweeping landscapes, and casual everyday snapshots. Despite its microscopic footprint, Sony did not compromise on optical quality. The lens incorporates aspherical elements that effectively reduce distortion and chromatic aberration, ensuring edge-to-edge sharpness. Its fast f.28 maximum aperture, paired with a 7-blade circular diaphragm, delivers surprisingly smooth bokeh, allowing your subjects to pop naturally against softly blurred backgrounds. Furthermore, the rear focusing mechanism ensures agile, silent autofocus, perfect for seamlessly capturing both crisp still photos and smooth, quiet video footage without adding unwanted motor noise to your audio. Product number 2, Nikon EF DX NIKKOR 18-300. For Nikon DX format DSLR users who want a single, do-it-all solution, the Nikon EF DX NIKKOR 18-300 f3.5 to 6.3 GED VR is a masterpiece of versatility. Delivering a staggering 16.7x zoom range, this lens seamlessly transitions from wide-angle architectural shots to super telephoto wildlife close-ups without ever requiring a lens change. It is an absolute must-have for travel photographers wanting maximum flexibility while keeping their gear bag light. To handle camera shake at extreme telephoto focal lengths, Nikon integrated advanced vibration reduction technology, VR, stabilizing your shots for tack-sharp photos and jitter-free video. Optically, it utilizes 3 extra-low dispersion glass elements and 3 aspherical lenses to combat color fringing and maintain high contrast throughout the massive zoom range. The silent wave motor ensures fast, accurate, and quiet autofocus, making it easy to lock on to fast-moving sports action or fleeting wildlife effortlessly. Product number 3, Canon EF 75-300mm f4 to 5.6/3. If you are just stepping into the world of sports, portraiture, or nature photography, the Canon EF 75-300mm lens is your ultimate budget-friendly gateway. Designed for Canon's EF mount, this compact telephoto zoom provides an impressive reach that dramatically compresses perspective, allowing you to isolate your subjects and create beautiful background blur without breaking the bank. Weighing just 480 grams, it is notably lightweight for a telephoto lens, ensuring it won't weigh you down during long days in the field. Canon has treated the optics with their specialized super spectra coating, which actively suppresses lens flare and ghosting, a crucial feature when shooting under bright sunlight or challenging lighting conditions. The integrated micromotor autofocus is reliable for everyday scenarios. For budget-conscious beginners wanting to expand their capabilities beyond the standard kit lens, this Canon classic delivers outstanding value. The Canon RF 28-70mm f2 LUSM is nothing short of an optical marvel, essentially packing a bag full of premium prime lenses into a single, robust zoom. Engineered specifically for Canon's full-frame EOS R mirrorless system, it boasts an unprecedented constant f2 maximum aperture. This allows for jaw-dropping low light performance and creamy cinematic background isolation that standard f2.8 zooms simply cannot match. As part of Canon's legendary L series, it features uncompromising build quality with extensive weather sealing against dust and moisture. Optically, the inclusion of ultra-low dispersion elements eradicates color fringing, delivering phenomenal clarity and color accuracy edge to edge. The customizable control ring on the barrel lets you intuitively adjust ISO, aperture, or exposure compensation on the fly. Driven by a blazing fast ring-type ultrasonic motor, this heavy-duty powerhouse is the ultimate tool for professional wedding, portrait, and event photographers demanding perfection.
Product number 5. The Sony FE 200 to 600 mm f5.6 to 6.3 G OSS is a spectacular super telephoto zoom designed for full-frame E-mount mirrorless cameras. Unlike many lenses in this extreme focal category, it features an internal zoom mechanism. This means the physical length of the barrel never changes, drastically improving handling, balance on a gimbal, and resistance to dust and moisture ingestion in the wild. Built-in optical steady shot OSS image stabilization works flawlessly with Sony's in-body stabilization, giving you confidence to shoot handheld at 600 mm. The direct drive supersonic wave motor DD-SSM delivers remarkably rapid and silent autofocus, tracking erratic subjects with absolute precision. Delivering corner-to-corner sharpness across the entire range, this G-series lens brings distant worlds right to your sensor, offering professional-grade reach and stellar image quality at a highly competitive price point for serious enthusiasts. So, which is right for you? Whether you need Canon's budget-friendly telephoto for starting out, Sony's pocketable wide-angle, or a premium f2 professional powerhouse, there's a lens here for every budget. Invest in the glass that matches your shooting style and click the links below to check current pricing.